Alright. Alright, watch where you're going. Found a tree. Alright. You know you did that by yourself? You just took right off. Alright, put your water back in. Let's start riding again. Alright, you ready?
Go!
Alright, here.
Watch where you're going.
I knew you could do it. That's amazing how good you are.
Alright. Are you doing good? Starting out's the hard part. You gotta get the pedal in the right position. Alright. Do not pinch me with those pliers. You're doing real good.